Yesterday, we did the first essay, the persuasive essay. And I want to go back to this writing section. On the writing exam, you have these three sections. You have a multiple choice section. You have an open response. You have a short answer. I'll turn that into a short answer section. And then you have those essays. 2 essays to do. We were doing a pacing where, if you take the test from home, you have 4 hours. Is that, if you take it on site, you have 4 hours. Yes. So let's just say you took the test. You had the full 4 hours. If you had the full 4 hours, then let's see, that would be 4 hours would be like 100 minutes here, right? 20 minutes here. And what do we say for the essay? 2 essays. You're going to dedicate for those 2 essays 2 hours, right? Team, was that the time for 4 hours? Right? More or less. Okay, now with the essay section, that would give you an hour and 15 minutes for the big essay. So that would be about 75 minutes. And it would give you roughly 45 minutes to do what we're going to be doing this evening. Yes? So there's your pacing on those essays. Now, not everyone's going to be taking out the test site. I'll give you some reasons why you might want to do that. Who's taking it from home? Who's doing it from home and only has the 3 hours because that's the only time you could find? Who's in that spot? That's all that was available. And let me tell you something. We're still in the pandemic. And we're also going into the end of the year. We're just about to hit the halfway mark, okay? Teachers are not going to be giving up their tests that easily now. So there's limited spots, and teachers aren't going to be moving the test dates. More teachers are going to be taking the stuff online. So that might be a reason. Who's taking it from home because they're concerned about their health and their family's health and just really don't want to be testing for 4 hours? Who's there? Maybe you are, or maybe you will be. I don't know, right? But if you were taking the writing test, someone asked me this evening, you want to make sure you have the full time. So when you're taking the writing test, you want to have the full 3 or 4 hours. Is that right? Can I get a yes there? You want to have the full 3 hours if you do it from home, or the full 4 hours if you do it on the site. And you want to take that reading exam and have the full 3 hours or 4 hours on that. Let's say you're doing it from home. We said you try and do this in 90 minutes. Is that right? Let me write that number down. 90 minutes. That would be roughly 9 minutes per passage, right? You would still do the short answer in 20 minutes. That would be roughly, so that's going to be equal to roughly 9 minutes per passage. That would be 3 minutes per short sentence. Okay, that's all good information. Thanks for sharing that. And you see the comments there, what Taylor and Sarah are showing. Okay, that's good stuff. Check it out. This stuff changes every day. So take a look. It changes every day. But some teachers just might not want to go into a test site for 4 hours, and they might prefer to do it at home. So that's why I'm using these numbers here. 9 minutes per passage, 3 minutes per short sentence. Give me thumbs up, team. Elsa, give me thumbs up. And now we get to the essay piece. So we got 90 minutes, 20 minutes, not a whole lot of time. What do we have left? 90 minutes, 20 minutes. How much time is left? There's a total of 110 that have been used. What is left? I think we only have 70 minutes left. Is that right? That would add up 110 plus 70 equals 180. So if that's the case, you only have 70 minutes to do the essays. It's not great. Then you would only have 70 minutes. And we would say 20 minutes for the summary, 50 minutes for the persuasive. Everyone got that, team? And I feel terrible about that. I think you're going to even need more time for the summary. So I'll put down here 25 minutes for the summary and 45 minutes for the persuasive, because I feel like you're going to need at least 20 minutes to do this one that we're about to do. So I'll use those numbers moving forward. If you only had 70 minutes to do this, I want you to spend 25 minutes on the summary, and that would give you 45 minutes for the persuasive argument essay. Yay? And that's what we're going to do right now. Right? Let's jump to that.